Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can customize your main menu character. So first, we head into options, and then go into screen settings. Now here, if we scroll almost all the way down, we can see main menu character display settings, and here we can change our character to anything we want, and then we can also change his costume. Then we click on confirm, and now we wait a bit. Now, as you can see, our main menu character has been changed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.